Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Nobita Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Tool Use for LLMs. Equipping your AI with superpowers. Hello aspiring AI developers. Nobita here. And today we're unlocking one of the coolest abilities for your AI. Tool use. Imagine giving your super smart AI brain not just knowledge, but also hands to do things. That's what tool use is all about, making your AI an active participant. Not just a talker. It's like upgrading your AI from a brilliant librarian to a brilliant, capable assistant who can also fetch specific books, check the news, and even operate machinery. Large language models, LLMs, like the ones we've been talking about, are incredibly intelligent. They can write stories, answer questions, and even generate code, but they have limits. They're like a brilliant professor who knows everything about history but can't use a calculator for simple math, or check today's real-time news headlines. LLMs operate primarily from their training data. They don't have real-time access to the internet. They can't run code, or connect directly to other applications. They just know stuff. When we say tool in AI, we don't mean a wrench. Think of it as a small, specialized function or program that your AI can call upon to perform a specific task outside its internal knowledge. It could be a calculator, a search engine API, a weather forecast service, or even a function that sends an email. From a developer's perspective, these are often just regular code functions you write or existing APIs you connect to. The magic is how the LLM knows when and how to use them. This is where it gets clever. You, the developer, give the LLM two key things. 1. A clear description of what each tool does, like a manual for a gadget. 2. Instructions on how to call that tool, what inputs it needs. When you ask the LLM a question, it doesn't just try to answer from its memory. It thinks, this question needs up-to-date info, a calculation, an action. Do I have a tool for that? If yes, it generates a call to that tool, just like telling a butler, fetch me the current stock price of company X. Let's get practical. To implement tool use, you follow an agentic loop. 1. Define your tool. Write a regular code function. For example, get _ weather. City. That fetches weather data. 2. Describe your tool. Create a clear, structured description, often in JSON schema format. For the LLM, this tells the LLM, I have a tool called get _ weather . It takes one input, city which is a string. It returns the current weather. 3. Integrate. When you send your user's query to the LLM, you also send it the list of tools and their descriptions. The LLM then decides if it needs a tool. If it does, it will respond not with an answer, but with a tool call. E.g., get _ weather. City equals Tokyo. Your code then executes this function, gets the result, and sends it back to the LLM, which then generates the final human-readable answer. With tool use, your AI can now step into the real world and perform amazing feats. Browse the web, ask it, what's the news today? And it can use a search engine tool. Perform calculations. What's 123 * 456 sevenths? And it uses a calculator tool for precision. Interact with databases. Find all products priced above $100. Control other apps. Send an email to John about the meeting, if you build an email tool connected to your system. Automate complex workflows. Chaining multiple tools to achieve a bigger goal, like planning a trip by checking flights, hotels, and local attractions. tool use isn't just a cool trick. It's a fundamental building block for the next generation of AI applications. It's how we move from passive AI assistants to proactive AI agents that can truly do things in the world. As developers, mastering tool integration means you're building AIs that are more accurate. No more LLM hallucinations on facts. More capable, and far more useful. You're giving them the ability to step beyond their training data and interact with the real, dynamic world, making them indispensable partners in problem solving and automation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.